Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone 12 Pro with luxury watch design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, with 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with double reinforced glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 26mm Sony IMX882 OIS main camera, along with 32 megapixel 47mm Sony IMX709 OIS 2x optical zoom telephoto camera, and with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide angle camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.47 by 74 by 8.75 mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. The color options: Navigator beige, submarine blue colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP65 dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 12 Pro has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 87,999 Pakistani rupees, 25,999 Indian rupees, $313 while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 90,999 Pakistani rupees, 26,999 Indian rupees, $325. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 12 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.